Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a text animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition, I'll make it full HD, frame rate 60 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and I'll call it background, then press OK. Go to effect, generate, for color generate, and now choose your colors. Okay. Let me. Okay, I need this color dark. Also here. Okay. Also blue dark. Yeah. Now I'll go to blend and I'll increase it like this. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to text and add your text. I'll type text, then press S and increase your text. Okay, I want to put this point into the middle, the anchor point one, so I'll go to anchor point, go here and control and double click and see. Okay, now increase it like this, then I'll go to align and put our text into the middle. If you don't see align, you can go to window and check align. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll go to space here and click, then go to rectangle tool and drag your mouse like this. Okay, yeah. Now I'll name it matte, then put matte down text, then go to effects and presets and type matte or set matte. Okay, and drag set matte into the text. Sorry, text. Drag it on text. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll go to take matte from layer, set text to matte, and also check invert matte. Okay, yeah. Then close matte. Okay, now if I want to move this text, see, it will be disappear. Okay, yeah, Control Z to undo. Very good. Now I'll open text, then I'll go to animate and I'll choose position. Okay, yeah, increase position like this and open range selector. Make sure that you are on the first frame. Go to offset here and 1 second forward and increase it to 100. Okay, and see now. Okay, now I'll go to this point. Okay, and right click and make this point to easy ease. Then I'll go here and graph editor and click here. Okay, make sure that you are on edit speed graphs, very important. Okay, and go to this point and drag it like this and see. Because I want this text move smoother. Yeah, see. Okay, very good. Now I'll go to advanced and square, set square to ramp up and see. Okay, go to first frame and go to offset here and decrease it to -100, okay? And see. Yeah, this is very good. Okay, again I'll go to animate and I'll add a rotation. Okay, make rotation 50 and okay, maybe 20 and go position this. Okay, and keyframe on open range selector and go to offset here, one frame forward and increase it and see. Also I want this to be smoother, so I'll go here and make it easy and I'll open graph editor and also I'll drag it something like this. Okay, yeah, but it's very good, very nice. Okay, and that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today, so if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.